we reflect on the purpose of the company, creating connections to empower agriculture, our ag processing business, our grain processing business specifically, is one of the best examples of how we live that purpose. We're connecting the acre of land and the product that's produced on it, whether it's canola, soybeans, or corn, to a value-added processing supply chain and adding value to that grain all the way through, which ultimately at a cooperative goes back to those that own us, the producers and farmers that support the cooperative system.
At Fairmont, it all starts with the farmer bringing in soybeans, go through our scale, and dump beans over in our bean receiving area. From there, those beans are drawn into our preparation plant where the hull is removed and we press the remaining bean into a flake. That flake is then sent over to the extraction building where we're using hexane to help extract the oil out of that flake. And that oil is then separated from the hexane and is sold as crude soybean oil. Much of it goes to our Mankato location where it is being used in food products.
The Mankato facility has updated its refining capacity to be able to handle the production of crude soybean oil out of both Mankato and Fairmont now with recent expansions that have taken place. The product is primarily a refined bleached deodorized oil here. A number of byproducts or co-products are also produced, things like lecithin, acidulated soap stock, fatty acids, things like that.
The Fairmont plant will process more than 75 million bushels of soybeans per year. Martin County, the county Fairmont's located in, produces about 10 million bushels. So we need 7.5 Martin counties every bean to keep this plant running. This plant has a huge impact on the local agricultural community. And what we do affects the 5,000 different farming entities that work with us, and also the ones that don't, because the impact of this plant in the local area just makes a very big difference on the price they receive for their soybeans, as well as the price you would pay for our finished products, such as soybean meal. We're in the food business. We make feed for livestock. We make food for human consumption. I think there's a lot to be proud of.